If you want to download X, formerly known as Twitter, onto your device, this quick tutorial will show you the easiest way to install it in just a few seconds. Whether you want faster access, a cleaner app-like experience, or just a simple shortcut on your device, this method is really useful. And before we get into it, if you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to x.com or Twitter if that's what you still call it. Once the website loads, look at the right end of the address bar. You should see an install icon there. This is the browser's built-in option for downloading the website as an app on your device. When you spot that install icon, click on it. Depending on your browser, you may see a small pop-up asking you to confirm the installation. This is completely normal. The browser is simply asking if you want to add X to your device for easier access. Now click Install on the confirmation prompt. After that, your browser will begin the process of adding X to your computer or device. In just a moment, X should be installed and ready to use like a regular app. You can then open it from your desktop, taskbar, or app list, depending on your system. And that's it. You've now successfully downloaded X or Twitter using the browser install option. It's fast, simple, and saves you from having to search for it every time. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an easy how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.